Hey friends, welcome to AI Minute Talk 7. Hey, today's topic is AI magic. Oh, okay, wait. What? Yes, AI magic. Robots, learning from us, changing the game. AI-powered robots that learn from humans are flipping the script on how we interact with machines. It's like science fiction come to life. First, these genius robots pick up human wisdom through a thing called machine learning. Think of it as the ultimate data detective, analyzing info and patterns to get better and smarter every day. Second, where can you spot these robo-wonders? Well, they're making waves in healthcare, manufacturing, retail, you name it. They tackle tasks that are repetitive, risky, or need laser-like precision. Third, meet the stars. Pepper, the humanoid robot that can read emotions, and Spot, the robot dog that navigates complex terrain like a pro. These are no ordinary bots. Fourth, these AI-powered marvels are a jack of all trades. From scrubbing floors to lending a hand in the operating room, they're ready to roll. Stay tuned for more AI-powered robot adventures. Subscribe now for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.